in the continued quest to find out what's wrong with this thing. Took the filter off of this side, these two bolts, this one off of this side with a washer, nut with the washer right here. This Allen is proving difficult. We're gonna go to the top, try this one. Trying to find what's wrong with this thing. Check the solenoids, put them on the boat with the current solenoids, swapped them out, they worked fine. And maybe there is something in there blocking something. Some of these seals are bad in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get in here. Everything else looks pretty fine. Would have expected more wear on some of these plates, but maybe they're worn down or thinned up enough that it doesn't have enough engage. But the plates, I think, look decent. All right, I was able to break loose this one and this. And we'll see if whatever this cylinder is pops out. Washer. And now we got a washer as well. There's one hand is risky. Alright, so I think I've freed this up. Stick that in there. Pull it out. Here we go. So there's an O-ring right there. I should have taken a video to see which side was up. If it matters, but I'm guessing these holes all line up with those pins, so it should be fairly obvious. Yeah, this nub right there goes in the bottom. Let's go on this side. I'm vlogging, video blogging. Okay. That came out of there.
And then these probably slide out of here. Just a little one at a time. Oh, we need to take this ring off.
So we got these 3 snap rings off. That thing came off. And that was all out of this drum. And then we hit this end with a hammer, slid it out. And we don't see any obvious wear in the forward gears. There is, and these like notches out of these gears. Not sure what that is.
Planetary gear.
And they're on all the sides, but just one side. A little washer out of there, and then there's this thing, but not sure if this internal one needs to come off yet or not. Doesn't seem to be moving. That off first. Second, all these out, flip them over. Got this out of the core.
No, that was first. That was first. Then that.
Oh yeah.
Then we took those off, flipped them over. Now we just pulled that out. That's your planetary gear mechanism. Yeah, I think you're right. I wonder how that even broke. Maybe it was never seated carefully. So now I think this whole housing can pop out.
Those should have made loop to about there probably. And another clip hiding in there.
These are gonna be strong enough to take this off.
We'll get back to you. Found our issue right there.
More the way. Spring goes here. That's a drain plug. Or that's where the oil circulates through. And then this, whatever that is, that's a piece of that broken
Not
shit.
supposed to be there.
Like these guys,
You got these out.
these guys shouldn't be
Teeth, they're all worn.
So we can
Not sure if
keep
this.
pulling these plates. So the order here is important.
Okay, well, did we flip any things over?
Yeah, so this guy, we're this way.
Okay.
That makes sense. And these I don't think are direction specific, but see how this has the bosses for
Yeah.
the springs? Holy cow.
Maybe now you can grab what the needle is.
I tried it with the vice grips, it still popped off.
I think they might give it an extra whack.
It's moving.
Cool.
There we go. Okay. Okay. We're out.
Nice.
Super.
Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the key.
That's what I meant.
These drives.
Like
Which
it's-
one was it in? Do you know?
Oh, it doesn't matter, I don't think. Because it spins the same either way.
Yeah.
I don't think I can spin it by hand. Yeah, I guess I can. But yeah, it's neat when they have pumps like that. Kind of weird.
Cool.
Yep. Okay, so I think maybe we dump this upside down for a minute, or maybe we just... No, let's tip it up on the coupler.
And then do this.
Yeah, we'll pop the face off, and then we'll... Oops. Good. So, now we want... Grab that little socket. And then we also want the one in front of the toolbox, the Allen key. Yep. So that's for the big ones.
Next, all the Allens.